Introducing the Trundila 8-in-1 Air Fryer, an innovative kitchen appliance designed to elevate your culinary experience to new heights. Crafted with precision and engineered for performance, this air fryer combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled convenience, making it a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Let's delve into what sets the Trundila air fryer apart and why it's the perfect choice for health-conscious individuals and cooking enthusiasts alike. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Premium design and safety features. First impressions matter, and the Trundila air fryer doesn't disappoint. Featuring a premium full metal exterior, this air fryer exudes elegance and sophistication while prioritizing safety. Crafted from high-quality materials, it eliminates concerns about melting or fire hazards, providing peace of mind during every cooking session. Say hello to a cooking journey where style meets durability and safety is always at the forefront. Extra large capacity for gatherings. Whether you're hosting an intimate dinner or a small get-together, the Trundila air fryer has you covered. With its generous 6.3-Quart nonstick basket, it effortlessly caters to 2 to 9 people, ensuring that no one goes hungry. Say goodbye to batch cooking and hello to effortless entertaining with the Trundila air fryer by your side. Healthier cooking, minimal oil. Say farewell to deep frying and embrace healthier cooking with the Trundila air fryer. Utilizing advanced 360 degrees circulating hot air technology, it delivers crispy, flavorful meals with minimal oil in just 30 minutes or less. Whether you're craving crispy fries or juicy chicken wings, the Trundila air fryer lets you indulge guilt-free without compromising on taste or texture. Versatile cooking options. Explore a world of culinary possibilities with the Trundila air fryer's 8 quick presets. From fries and pizzas to chops and cakes, this versatile appliance offers endless cooking options to suit every taste and preference. Customize your cooking experience with manual controls, allowing you to adjust temperatures from 140°F to 400°F and set timers for up to 30 minutes. With the Trundila air fryer, the possibilities are endless. Safety and convenience combined. Safety is paramount, and the Trundila air fryer ensures peace of mind with its EDEL certification and FOABPA-free construction. Equipped with dishwasher-safe nonstick baskets, cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. Plus, with features like a cool touch handle, button guard, and detachable frying basket, cooking with a Trundila air fryer is not only convenient but also safe. It's the perfect solution for busy parents, health-conscious individuals, and fried food enthusiasts seeking a mess-free, oil-reduced cooking experience. In conclusion, the Trundila 8-in-1 air fryer is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. With its premium design, extra-large capacity, healthier cooking capabilities, versatile cooking options, and safety features, it offers everything you need to revolutionize your cooking experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your culinary skills to new heights with the Trundila air fryer. It's more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.